Okay, puntahan natin yung isa sa, I think this was the highlight of the hearing yesterday, yung acknowledgement ninyo na 95% of the wrongful deaths under Duterte's drug war, wala palang police report. Ang tanong ko,
Yes.
paano nangyari yun? Bakit nakalusot?
Kasi yun ang order ng ano eh. It seemed as if it was the order of the higher ups. Alam niyo naman ang ating character ng ating police organization. Very militaristic. Blind loyalty. Kaya nga nagkakaproblema tayo. That's why if I were asked what measures that we can do for the last 2 years, it is actually police reform. Kasi talagang kinakailangan, we have to turn around and change the notion of what the police is to our society. Ang nangyari kasi dyan, paramilitaristic force na puro general, tapos bata-bata. Alam mo naman, ang notion talaga dapat ng ideal police. Like before, yung mamang police idea, di ba? Which happened in the 50s and the 60s. The policemen were community figures. Kilala sila sa community. The community knew them. They belong there. Ganon din ang mga fiscal. Ganon din ang mga prosecutors. Pero nangyari dito, nung naging Integrated National Police, tsaka ganon na yung naging structure ng police natin, nagka-problema talaga. Naging blind loyalty, blind obedience. Right or wrong, obey. We cannot live with that anymore. I think that that's the most important thing that we're learning here.
Okay. Doon sa sinasabi niyong 95% of the wrongful deaths, walang
Yes.
police report. Were you referring dun sa official police figures, yung 6,252? Or perhaps mas marami pa?
Mas marami pa siguro. Hindi ko alam eh. Mas siguro mga 6,000 would be a reasonable number.
So 95% of 6,000?
Pardon?
95% of 6,000, walang police report?
It must be the case. Kasi nga, naghahanap kami ng ganyan. Pagka, of all the victims that went to us, na kinausap namin, at nag-attempt kami na kumuha ng police report, out of 20 of them, walang lumabas kahit isang police report.
Anong official na dahilan nung hiningan niya ng police report na
Wala.
official?
No police report. And then, when pinapa-explain ko sa isang former general, sabi niya, that was the policy.
So paano nga?
Bahala na kayong umareglo o umayos sa sitwasyon ng inyong presinto. So naging SOP yan. Wala na police report dyan. Ganun talaga eh. Talagang, marami talagang rap out. Marami talagang wrongful death na hindi mo talaga maiimbestigahan. Walang ballistics, walang police report. Saan ka magsisimula, Christian? Wala kang autopsy. Kasi lahat ng wrongful death, dapat may autopsy. Walang autopsy. Saan tayo magsisimula? Sasabihin natin, may tama ng bala. Tapos na tayo ron. Wala na tayo ibang ebidensya. Paano ka magsisimula?
Doon sa sinasabi ng wrong...
The police report would always contain the situation. It would contain sino-sino ang mga policemen over there, what they were reacting to, how they came to be in the situation, and what transpired. Diba yun ang nature ng police report eh. Sinasabi nila in fairness kung ano nakita nila. Pag wala kang spot report, saan ka kukuha ng spot report kayo? Na-assign na sa ibang lugar yung mga tao. Sino kakausapin natin?
Okay. But when you say wrongful deaths, hindi lang po ba ito yung sinasabi ng police na lahat ng laban, which was 6,000 sa count nila? Kasama po rito yung vigilante killings.
Ng laban is actually, it's one example of wrongful death. Kasi meron naman, hindi naman talaga nalalaban. Hindi talaga lumalaban. Nawawala na lang. Even, siguro I have to tell you, a first cousin of my wife is still missing up to now.
Talaga? What happened?
He was disappeared in Pasay. He probably had a drug record. But it's not reason for us to make a person disappear. May pamilya rin yan. May mahal din sa buhay yan.
Kailan siya nawala?
2021.
So hindi pa rin natatagpuan hanggang ngayon? Wala man ng traces?
Kailan? No trace. I knew him. Nakilala ko siya eh. Nung bata pa kami. Na-meet ko na siya. I was probably 20 years old, 21.
Yeah, sir. I'm trying to make sense of the numbers, no? Kasi 95% of what? Kasi official PNP count, 6,200.
Wala police report yun. Kahit anong gawin natin, wala tayong mahaharap na police report. Yun nga yung rito. It was so organized. parang organized crime na yung nangyari. Na, ba't walang police report lahat? Naging SOP nila na walang police report.
Kung gano'n,
Di ba nakakapasal talaga kung ba't gano'n ang aksyon ng ating kapulisan ng panahon na yun?
hindi ba itong katotohanan na binabanggit nyo ngayon, wouldn't this bolster the case sa ICC?
Yes, it would. Because ano nga eh, the people had no chance to prove a case in our country. And even when they went to us, when we took over already, we were left holding the empty bag, so to speak. Wala kami mahalukay na ebidensya kagad o yung gusto namin mahanap, hindi namin mahahanap dahil wala namang gusto magsalita eh. It's already conspiracy of silence. Wala gusto magsalita.